So what's up, my people? It's your favorite boy speaking here once again with another update on this particular Chao Bank. So in today's video, I'm gonna do a live withdrawal and I'm going to show you guys what to do on this particular platform. In case you have not seen my video on it, this is Chao Bank. As you can see refill balance, withdraw, transfer, and as you can see on my account, I'm currently having 175 HKD, which is currently worth $22.24, or if you calculate it in euro, it's around $20.55. So on my last video, I made a video on how I invested a good amount of money here, and how I'm gonna be getting revenue from it for 3 good years. You can check out the first comment of this video for this particular video about this particular platform, which I am expecting to make a very good amount of money from it with my little deposit on it. And also remember, the highest bond here is the lowest bond here is 10 bonds, which is around currency worth around $101.20, which you can activate for 3 years for yourself. In my last video on it, I showed you guys how to do it, how you can activate bond with your. It's either you deposit, click on any cryptocurrency of your choice to deposit and everything. And just check the video in the first comment for more details. So in today's video is about how to do your settings, how to set up your social media handle in it, connect your social media handle in it for more security, and also do 2FA verification and also withdrawal. So watch this video attentively to see how I'm doing all these things. So first thing first, click on this 3 dotted line on the top of your screen and then click on this place that says setting. So it will take you to where you need to put your personal details and your social media handles. So which I will currently come here now and enter my Telegram handle, which is King1. You guys know my Telegram handle is King1. This is my main Telegram handle now. Don't fall a scam to any Telegram handle. This is my Telegram handle as King1, and enter my WhatsApp number. You guys know my WhatsApp number, which I'm enter here now. And that is it for now. And all I have to do now, after entering these ones that I know that is I want to enter, so all I have to do is to click on this where it says change, and you can see personal data successfully updated. So the next thing we have to do now is to go ahead and enter our payment details. So but before then, let's go over to 2FA code. So over here you will see a 2FA code or 2FA QR code or key for you to enter in your authenticator app, Google Authenticator app. So all you have to do is to click on this place that says copy it, and then head over to your authenticator app, put it in your authenticator app, and then copy the code from your authenticator app and enter it here for saving. So once you are done with it on your authenticator app, I would have do it on a live video, but I cannot video record authenticator app. So next thing you have to do is to enter the code that you get from the app here, and then click on this place that says enable 2FA verification. So as you can see, after it you see that it's now done for me. So as you can see, my 2FA code is now enabled right now. And we head over to payments, where you can enter your payment, your wallet address for withdrawal. So for me, you guys know me, I love withdrawing with TRC20 wallet address. So you can also check out any amount of withdrawal, any wallet address, any particular cryptocurrency that you will love to withdraw with. For me, I'm withdrawing with TRC20 USDT, which I will easily enter my wallet address here. Make sure that you enter the same one with the correct network. So once I'm done with it, all I have to do is to scroll down up a bit and click on this place that says save change. So as you can see now, my wallet address have been updated. So if you check out here, you see that it's now updated, and now next thing for me to do is to withdraw. So the next thing for me now is to place my withdrawal. All I have to do is to go back to my account. I click on this place say withdrawal, and now I have to enter the amount that I have. Currently I have around 175 HKD over here right now. So what I have to do is to edit this automated one to 175 HKD, and then select TRC20 tether USDT, which is the actual one that I entered my wallet address. And as you can see, my wallet address have appeared automatically. And so what I have to do now is to click on this where it says next step, and then it will ask me for my payment code. Your payment code is this particular place that they call CVV. I'm not gonna review my own for security details. This CVV here on your card is your payment code. So click on the CVV to give you your payment code and go back to your account to withdraw. So input your payment code here and place withdrawal. Click on withdraw. So as you can see, my withdrawal is now, withdrawal requests have been succeeded and it will be processed shortly. So after some minutes, I went back to my account and I found out on my Trust Wallet, because I withdraw with my Trust Wallet address. So I found out that the $22.2425 that I placed the withdrawal landed few minutes later. And if you go over to my transaction details, you see that the withdrawal was also successful, showing successful here, and this is the transaction number over here. So a little overview for those of you that might not understand the whole thing, or maybe you don't know how the platform works. This is an online bank where you make they call it bond. They can make research on bonds. This is an online bank which is also connected to cryptocurrency, so you can buy a share, or kind of a share, or a bond that is going to be giving you revenue every week for 3 good years. Guys. So remember, you need to do your KYC, verify your account, just like I showed you guys. As you can see, my account is verified here. So this is not this is a very, very long term, something that is going to give you revenue every week for 3 good years, guys. 3 good years, and after 3 good years, your initial deposit is likely going to come back to your account. So just like I told you guys, in case you want to do a top up, you can easily enter here and then select the cryptocurrency you want to make top up with. But if you want to buy bond, just click on this 3 line icon here for you to know the price of bonds. So click on this place, say bond, look at it over here, bonds, click on bonds, and it's going to bring you over to this particular page where you will see the series of bond that you can buy. So the first one is minimum of it is 10 bond. Then 10 bond is actually going to cost you 101 US dollars. So let's select USD TLC USDT for you to understand this. So 1 bond is equal to $10, $1.16.8, and minimum amount is 10 bond. That means it's gonna cost you total of 101 USDT. That is US dollar if you want to buy it. And total income is 1,728 HKD. And as you can see, this is the one that I activated. That is the 1,000. That is the 10 bonds that I actually got, and already I've already gotten 7 HKD from it. That is, it's giving me 35 HKD every single month. And as I showed you guys on my transaction details, it's giving me 35 HKD every single month. So that is how it's done. So once you check out and you know that you can afford it, all you have to do is to click on buy bond. It's gonna give you a wallet address, and you go ahead and do the required things for you to do. To make it more clear, look at it over here. It is gonna give you 1.6 HKD every day, weekly of 11, but it's giving me 35, a monthly of 48. So that is just it. And if you look over here, you see Shao Bank's certificate of legality in this place, and also this is another certificate showing it's limited and the activity is active. And here is the certificate of mandatory deposit insurance showing that they are also legal. And this is ICRIC certificate of showing how live and how their status is, and you can check it by yourself with the graph in the comment of this video. And this one is a certificate of incorporation to show you guys everything here. And you can also check out their bond calculator. This is the bond calculator, and 800 HKD is equal to that 10 bond, which is gonna mature for you in 3 years. As in 3 years, it's gonna keep on giving you revenue. And also this particular one is 1,000, minimum of 1,000 HKD. So that is it. So if you calculate this 800 HKD, let's calculate 800 HKD is gonna be giving you yielding you 0.2% every day, and it's gonna be it is equivalent to 10 bonds, which is that $101, which is what the one that I activated. And your daily interest, your interest rate is 72% every year. Income every year is 572 HKD. Lifetime yield is 1,728 HKD. Remember, you used 800 HKD to start it up. So imagine you used above it, let's say 1000 HKD or twice of 800 HKD, which is 16,600 HKD. So let's calculate it like that. 1600 HKD is gonna be giving you bigger amount of it. So that is just it. And here over here you can see their roadmap, everything about them. This is the roadmap. This is how they started October 22, and every other thing that follows it. You can easily go back to the website and read the roadmap yourself on your own understanding for you to know everything about the roadmap. So this is the roadmap, and this is how it looks like, and this is their website, landing page, and every other thing. So I hope you guys got value from this. Remember, Zubike is not in any way financial advisor. I always say it, do your due diligence and invest what you can afford to lose on any investment online. Remember, stay safe, and let's see you guys on my next video. Bye.